Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to study a new lesson. The last lesson we have studied about the noun, definition, kinds of noun, everything we completed. From today, I want to start a new lesson. That's a second part of the parts of speech. Parts of speech, first the noun, the second pronoun. Pronoun. This is the name. Lesson number 7. Pronouns. Two words. The one is a pro, other is a noun. It's simply we can understand. I will write an example. Participant Raju is a good boy. No doubt. Raju is a good boy. Then again I will write one more sentence here. Raju is an honest boy. The first sentence, Raju is a good boy. The second sentence, again about Raju. Raju is an honest boy. Good boy and honest boy. And which is a subject in the sentence? Raju is a subject in the sentence. Here this also subject. But in second sentence, we can avoid this Raju. Instead of Raju, we can write he. Raju is a good boy. He is an honest boy. Here look at, instead of Raju or in place of Raju, we use a he. Here, he is known as the pronoun. He is known as the pronoun. What is the pronoun? By using this example, we can easily study what is a pronoun. What is a pronoun? Means a pronoun is used instead of or in place of a noun. But Raju in this sentence is a noun, and in this sentence also Raju is a subject and he is also a noun. But here we did not use Raju. Instead of Raju, we used a he. Here he stands for Raju. Is it clear? Here he stands for Raju. So here he is known as the pronoun instead of noun. In place of noun, we use the he. And it is very important in English language. Why? The first thing is we can shorten and simpler the sentence. Because we again did not use the noun again and again. And by using this pronoun, the sentence should be shorter and also simpler. In your day-to-day English language, you know number of automatically you use a number of pronouns. I already written some example on the board. I is a pronoun. He is a pronoun. She is a pronoun. It, his, her, ours, theirs, their, you, me. A lot of pronouns available in English grammar and English language. And the proper understanding of this pronoun or this lesson, it will be helpful to your enhance or improve or develop your English grammar or language. It is a basic in English language. It's a basic in English grammar. Noun, pronoun, all these parts of which. So I advise all the kids, every students must neatly and properly study this English grammar. And I think that we will take 11 continuous days to complete this lesson. To 11 complete days. 11 days. The first part is a definition. What do you mean by pronouns? I already said some examples I will give. Secondly, also just as the kinds of noun, here is also a kinds of pronoun also. Totally 10 kinds of pronouns. In every day we will study one by one. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear? Then just I will read the definition of pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. They help make a sentence shorter and simpler. The pronoun is a word. What here used he, she, it, they, we, you. Pronouns. Here the pronoun, that is it is a word. It's a group of letters. The pronoun is a word which is used in place of or instead of noun. It is known as this definition. Now you should study it. The pronoun is a noun. The pronoun is a word which is used in place of or instead of. Both are same meaning. Instead of or in place of noun. Any you can select it instead of or any place. A pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. And what is the benefit or use of the pronoun? Why we are using the pronouns in English? So only one answer. The sentence should be more shorter, calm and simple. Sentence became more simple. So this is the use of pronouns in English grammar. Then I, she, he, it, his, her, ours, theirs, myself, herself, their selves, ourselves, and like that number of pronouns. In the coming classes we will study more details about it. Then we already studied the noun cases, the kinds of noun, proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, stuff. There are 5 kinds of noun. We already studied. I think that we all learn and study. But like that, in pronoun cases also there are 10 kinds of pronouns. So just I will read it and you should understand the pronunciation of the words. The number 1 is a personal pronoun. Here is a R silent. Pronunciation is a personal pronoun. Number 2, reflexive pronoun. We should add a pronoun also, personal pronoun, then reflexive pronoun. The number 3 is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. The number 4 is interrogative, not interrogative. Interrogative pronoun. Okay. The number 5 relative pronoun. Number 6 is emphatic pronoun. And number 7 distributive pronoun. The number 8 is indefinite pronoun. Number 9 reciprocal pronoun. And number 10 possessive pronoun. And these are the kinds of pronouns. Total how many kinds? Total 10 kinds of pronouns. Every day we will study one. First day tomorrow. The next day we will study about the personal pronoun. Then another day after tomorrow we will study reflexive. So in every day we will use to study one kind of pronoun. And don't miss these videos. First you should watch the videos, a number of PDF works, a number of home assignment or practice is necessary, continuous practice. That's why I am giving more and more home assignment or homework for you. If you do more and more practices in your home, you should be more and more able to handle the English grammar. That is only the my opinion and my idea. So every student must do some of this more hard work to complete this lesson. So I want your cooperations and hard work and sincere for your studies. And this is a basic about the pronouns. Pronoun is used instead of or in place of a noun. What is used? It is used to shorter the sentence and to become the simple. We can make a simple sentence. It is a use of pronouns. Okay, the next day I will come again with the kinds of noun, page pronoun. Okay, thanks.